Hi guys, thank you for visiting my channel, or whether that's a social channel or my YouTube channel. Anyway, I just wanted to show you something that is absolutely amazing. If you know me personally, or if you've been watching, following along with my channels and things, you will know that I'm very passionate about trading, especially crypto trading. And um, basically, I already have a couple of bots that are running with some great companies. Um, and this is a new bot that is even more amazing. Well, don't get me wrong. Each individual company has its really good points, and sometimes they have their own poor points. But the two companies I already use and this one now, they basically are probably the only three bots currently I would use. You will see hundreds out there online. Um, I wouldn't recommend them if you want to lose your money. Don't forget, I test them all for you, so you don't have to test them out. And basically, I sticking with these now three. So just want to go over this new bot. This is the Aurum bot. Aurum from the Aurum Foundation. It's an easy, low entry unicorn fintech trading bot. Now, the other bots I'm with, they're quite a big entry point, and for a lot of people that follow me, can't afford that amount of money to get started. But this is nice and easy, and it's a low entry point, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview. This is not a full presentation of what Aurum offer. Um, but basically, it offers two advanced AI trading bots, uh, and each is designed for different types of investors. Whether you're just looking for something passive or you're looking for something that's fully flexible AI driven, this can offer that. So I'm just going to go off this next slide. Like I say, this is a quick overview. The basic Aurum AI bot. You can it's offers lots of different levels, but oh God, I'm tired today. But anyway, I'll crack on. So basically, it's an automated crypto trading bot. It's going to trade for you. It's going to give you returns every single day. You're in full control of it all the time, and you can track your performance in your dashboard, and you can withdraw your funds at any time. So it's very secure. It's very reliable. It's going to offer you a stable income of up to 17.5% monthly, with profits which are credited to your account daily. So as you can see here, if you're starting off with a basic package, this is what I wanted to stress, is you can get actually started with $100 investment. And that's going to give you 60% on the, it's going to give you a monthly of 10.49% a month. And you're going to get a 60% share of that, and 40% is going to go to the company. That's great, because that's how the company are making money, and that's how they're going to be along and around for a very long time. They've already been around for 3 years so far, but you can go right up. The more you invest, personally, this, like I say, this is a low entry point, $100. A lot of them can be up to $10,000 to get into. But I would start off with maybe these two. I mean, this is aimed at the those guys who can't afford those big bots. But even even with this one, you can actually put a big investment in, and you're going to get a bigger return. Put 50,000 in, you're going to get 95% of a monthly, well, up to 17.5% monthly. Okay. I think I've gone through a couple of things on there. Like I say, it's just a quick overview. It also has that if you want to, you can just do this passively, earn your returns every day, every month. But basically, if you wanted to build your business even more, it has an amazing affiliate structure, and it offers great bonuses and prizes too. And plus, what's amazing about this, the bonuses are actually paid out in USDT. So whether you're looking for a structured passive income or to build a business, honestly, Aurum has you covered. All right. But like I say, God, I'll carry on with this. Got calls coming in there. All right. So what really this platform, I looked into it. I saw everything out there about Aurum, and I checked it out, signed up, checked it out and signed, and I couldn't believe this what I saw inside. That's available to you as a member. But what got me is that they have a team of 35 plus top tier professionals with extensive experience in finance, blockchain, and AI driven trading. They're from leading global companies, including Binance, Morgan Stanley. I know those two. Ox, I have no idea. Wise, I know. Bridget, I know, and IBM Blockchain. So these are top professionals that have come over, and the one that got me was Brian Benson. He's come over from Binance recently into Aurum to help with the Aurum Foundation project. And yeah, that got me. I can't say any more on that. If you don't know, don't know these guys, these companies, that might be irrelevant to you. But there we go. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, and like I say, it was a $100 minimum investment, and plus the annual subscription is $19.99. Wow. I can tell you now, I'm actually paying $500 a year for a bot. But that does give me better returns on a daily basis. Now, if you're interested in that, let me know. But this is just for those who can't afford to pay out those big prices to start with. An annual return or subscription, an annual subscription for this bot is $19.99, and you can get started with a $100 investment. It's easy. Sit back, enjoy your weekly returns, or you can build a business with it. If you want to know more, check out the link at the end of this video, or somewhere underneath this video, there'll be a link. But before I go, I just want to show you what your potential earnings are with Aurum. See you in a minute. So here we go. I wanted to show you your potential earnings with Aurum. So let's say you took the minimum of $100. Now this will be based on the 60-40% share. As your income increases, you will move through the percentage of share of the profits that you'll get. Well, let's just take 1 year on its own and calculate. Oh, I'll turn that off for now. And we calculate it. It's only going to give you $125. But if I put the compound interest on, it's going to give you $331. But let's take that a little bit further. If you actually did that over 5 years with the compound interest on and calculated that, that's going to give you 39,840. Not bad for doing nothing from $100, is it? Now, I'll tell you something great about this in a minute. But let's say you went on to the start a bit and you started with $250. Type on 250. I'm going to do that over. Let's start that with 1 year. Actually, let's go 2 years. 2 years is reasonable. With compound interest on, and calculate. 3,313. Doesn't sound a lot, but for some people, it's great. Let's just take that for 5 years and calculate. So 159,838. Not bad. Will do me. All right. But let's just go a bit further. Let's take the 1,000 minimum investment. Now, I know this video isn't for those who have got 1,000 to invest, but some of you guys who have that kind of money might want to see this. I mean, look at that. 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that a million? I'm not sure. I think that's 6 figures off that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, just over a million. Off 1,000 in 5 years' time. Just wanted to show you that. Now, I was going to show you something in a minute. What I've done in this account is you can have one main bot. As you can see here, I've got 3 bots running on this basic account. I'm going to add another one. But what those 3 bots are for, it's not for me. I've actually set that up for my grandsons. So I'll just take let's say the lowest one there, $102. 5 years, calculate. That's 40,000 years in 5 years' time for my grandkids. Yeah? See where I'm going with this now? Okay. But not only that, I can top it up. So I might top it up an extra 25 a month on each account, each 4. I haven't done the 4th one yet. But yeah, there's so much you can do with this. There's so many ideas you can go with this. You can create the bot for yourself. You can create it for your grandkids. Okay, you control the account until you're maybe 5 years time, and you can transfer that money to your grandkids. Well, there you go. Anyway, if you want to get started, or if you want any more information, leave a comment below, or you can check out the link and you can sign up, get yourself inside, send me a message, find me on Facebook. There you go. All right, guys. Like I say, it's just a low entry point bot for those who don't want to take a big risk. And like I say, I've taken all the risks for you. This is one of my top 3 bots, and this is a low entry point bot. Speak soon.